Hi, I'm Ager Perello, a Cuddle ambassador, and today I'm going to be working on Barkley. These guys are pre-cut in these kits called Cuddle Critters. All the pieces are cut out for you. You don't have to do any cutting, and you can just get right to stitching. Okay, so what's in this package? It comes with a really cute little birth certificate, the eyes and nose pre-cut in there, all of these pre-cut pieces. So what's cool about this is that the pattern has already been cut out of the Cuddle, and then this is the pattern itself. So it's printed on both sides. So there's two sides of it, and it gives the information on it and the pattern instructions, I should say. So this is the pattern instructions, nicely written, tells us how to put it all together. Barkley is all stuffed and super cute, nice and squishy body, squishy limbs, little toes, super cute. If this is your first Cuddle stuffed animal, congratulations. You're now inducted into the Cuddle stuffed animal club. We love, love, love sewing our stuffed animals with Cuddle, and this is a great entry in. All those pieces were cut out for us before. All we had to do is just put them together.